Good evening, Miss Mela and friend. Today I would like to present my material about the impact of the internet on English language development. My name is Jocelyn Victoria Roger with NPM 0085 from 6C class. In table of content, I already divided my presentation to be three parts. First is introduction. Will be discussed about background of study and impact of the internet on English language. And the second is my discussion will be discussed about social media application that I use along with function, illustration, and also the different from standard English communication. And the last is conclusion. To summarize of the material that I have been present today. Well, let's start to the introduction. Background of study. Internet is an electronic communication network that connect computer network and organizational computer facilities around the world. The development of information technological and media currently provide challenge for language learner. One of the technological advances that are growing rapidly at this time is social media such as Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, WhatsApp, and other. It is on this social media that found many acronyms and abbreviation use. Well, in this part, we'll explain the positive and negative impact of the internet on English language. Positive impact in the internet provide a variety of abundant learning resources for improving English language skill. The internet also allows students to learn about foreign culture in real time, can improve higher order thinking, allow students to have good computer skill, and allow students to recognize various kind of discourse and use more complex language. The negative impact, there are many internet users who use abusive language which can influence us to use it too, as the word fuck, shit, and other are often used so that many people follow to use this word, and also preferring to use the internet compared to book, such as looking for the word we want to translate. We find it easier to use Google Translate than a dictionary, because when using Google Translate, we can directly type it while the dictionary we have to looking for it by later. Well, let's move to main discussion. In this main discussion, I use the line application as an example of this presentation, because the line application has many features such as chat, line phone, line job, line today, open chat, and other. Line is an instant messaging application that allows users to communicate with each other via the internet. Line user can communicate with each other by sending a text message, picture, photo, video, audio, and more. Line also has the following function. First, personal and public communication media. Second, entertainment and business media. Third, stored and sharing media. And the last, unlimited network of friends. Acronym and abbreviation. In this part, I will explain the acronym and abbreviation that I will use for my illustration. An acronym is a word that consists of the first letter of the word in a phrase. The example is LMAO. It's mean laughing my ass off. In the example of this word is often used when feeling consoled by something that can make them laugh. For the abbreviation are short form of word or phrase. The example is BTS. It's mean because. And on the left, there are other example of acronym and abbreviation. In this session, I show an illustration of the use of acronym and abbreviation in one of the feature of the Line application, that is OpenChat, where we can talk about something according to our interest or hobby with people we don't know or random people. I use acronym and abbreviation because a lot of people are currently chatting using acronym and abbreviation because they are considered faster and shorter than typing longer. The majority of acronym and abbreviation are also used by teenagers. In first picture, one of the sender sending the word WTF. The WTF meaning acronym that stand for what the fuck. In this situation, the sender used that word to show surprise or shocked expression. In the second picture, another sender sending the word ID key. The ID key means meaning acronym that stand for I don't know. In this situation, the sender used the word ID key to show an expression of astonishment and confused. And the last picture, the sender sending the word YT and RN. The YT meaning abbreviation that stands by YouTube, and RN meaning acronym that stands for right now. In this situation, the sender briefly explain what he is currently doing. The last part in my discussion is the difference from standard English communication. The difference between the use of acronym and abbreviation from standard English are word choice is informal and the language used is more shown to friends. Rarely used by older people because most acronym and abbreviation are slang words. So older people rarely understand this word. Alright, the last of my presentation is conclusion. The development of technology is very rapid. So many communication applications are used by the community and many language changes occur, such as the use of acronym and abbreviation when interacting with the other person when using social media. Normally, in standard communication, we don't need to use acronym and abbreviation, but in the chatting, acronym and abbreviation mostly used and easy to find. Alright, I think that's all about my presentation for today. I do apologize if there is mistake during my presentation. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.